All right, we are going to see if these guys are similar. Anytime we do, we need to look at our options. We have SSS, SAS, or AA. I am missing this side here, and I'm also missing this side here. I really only have one side of 10 to use, so anything involving S's are out, which means I have to use AA. Now, this angle here is the same in both triangles, so I can say angle A equals angle A with glasses. And I am given this fact which states that they're parallel. So I can say BC is parallel to DE. And because they are parallel, I can say that angle E is equal to the corresponding angle BCA. Now, I could have also said D and CBA. Either one is fine. Reason is still the same. Parallel lines give us corresponding angles that are congruent to each other. So those two facts are enough to say that I have similar triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB because of AA similarity. And now that I know that they are similar, now I can go ahead and solve for x. So I would say 10 goes with 16. Again, the small triangle is to the big triangle as the small triangle is to the big triangle, x plus 3. So I'm going to cross multiply. I get what? 16x equals 10x plus 30. So I get 6x equals 30, and x is equal to 5. That one there must have been equal to 5. But again, I cannot solve for that until I have proven that they are similar, because I'm using similar ratios to do that. Let's go ahead and look at 5. 5 is tricky. The reason that it's tricky is that these are not parallel to each other, so it looks a little bit different. So I said separate them. I'm going to follow my advice. I've got 10 and x. And the other one, I'm going to turn and rotate and flip and whatever, because this was my 90 degrees. So this is my base of my 12. This here is something I don't know, but I do know that the hypotenuse is 18. So this is actually what it is that I am looking at. The thing that I also have, though, is I have this angle here is the same as that angle there. So I can state that I do have my similar triangles because of AA. AA, again, that was reflexive, and those were both 90. And because of that, I can then set up the hypotenuse goes with the hypotenuse as the leg goes with the leg. So I'm going to reduce that just to make life a little bit simpler. And I get 9x is equal to 60. And x is equal to 60 divided by 9 is what? I don't know. Oh, 9 times 5, 9 times 6, 9 times 6 is 54. So 6 2/3 is equal to x.